Onboarding tutorials for new Temu sellers. How to set up shipping templates. Click Setup in the Setup Shipping Templates section to enter the shipping settings page. Click Confirm to agree to the free shipping rule. By clicking Agree, you are indicating that you agree to the free shipping rules. Click Add Template to create a new shipping template. Fill in the template name and shipping address. If you don't have a shipping address yet, click Add a new shipping address to open the address creation pop-up. Then fill in the address name, full address, phone number, and contact person information to create one. VAT verification is required for European warehouses. Click Save to add the shipping address. Choose shipping regions and specify the transit time, the time needed to deliver to each region, and shipping fees. Note, you should ensure that transit times are accurate, as they have a direct impact on buyers' expectations. Different regions may also need separate shipping templates depending on differences in transit times. The shipping fee is paid by the customer when the order value is below the free shipping threshold. Click Save to finish configuring the settings. You can view your shipping templates on the Shipping Settings page. Visit the Support Center if you have any questions. Thank you for completing the shipping template setup.